Why do we yawn? Yawning. Everyone does it. You might yawn when you are sleepy, bored, or even when you see someone else do it. It is such a common action that we hardly think about it. But have you ever wondered why we actually yawn? Let's find out. A yawn begins when you take in a deep breath. Your mouth opens wide, your lungs fill with air, and your body often stretches at the same time. For a long time, scientists believed yawning was the body's way to bring in more oxygen and remove extra carbon dioxide. However, newer studies suggest something different. Yawning may help cool the brain. When your brain gets a little warmer, a yawn can bring in cooler air and lower the temperature, helping you stay alert. Yawning is also linked to tiredness. When we are sleepy, our brain activity slows down. A yawn may act as a reset button, giving the brain a quick boost of alertness, even if only for a short time. Yawning is surprisingly contagious. If you see or hear someone yawn, chances are you will too. Even reading about yawning can make people do it. Scientists think this contagious effect may be connected to empathy, the ability to understand how others feel. When your friend yawns, your brain unconsciously mirrors their state, making you yawn as well. Humans are not the only animals that yawn. Dogs, cats, birds, and even fish have been observed yawning. For animals, yawning may also signal tiredness or a way to communicate with others. For example, some chimpanzees yawn together, which may help strengthen social bonds within the group. Most yawning is harmless, but sometimes it can be a sign of other conditions. If someone yawns excessively, it may be linked to stress, lack of sleep, or even certain medical issues. Doctors say that frequent yawning during the day could be a signal that your sleep quality is poor. Still, for most of us, yawning is simply a normal and healthy part of life. It helps regulate the brain, shows empathy, and sometimes just reminds us that it is time for bed. So next time you yawn, remember, it is not just a sign of boredom. It is your body's way of keeping your brain balanced and connected to the people around you. And now I have to ask, did you yawn while listening to this?